Nice job. Straighten your wheels. Fab. Excellent. Now, squeeze your gas a little. We just want you to go a little faster. We don't want to go to the right though. We've got to stay on our left side. Good. Hold on. What we're actually going to do, we're going to get to the end again, slow it right down and stop again. So cover your brake.
Your brake.
Keep straight. Now, clutch down. Let it roll up. Now just go back to the gas again and use a little bit of bite and get it moving slowly again. Lift the clutch back to the right. Don't worry about the roll. Slow, push down a little bit, smaller movements. Relax your grip, smaller movements. Look out to your right because we are going around there. Lift the clutch a little. Lift the clutch down a little and steer. Move your hand. You're doing ever so well. Start steering back to the left slowly, but distance to these. Start steering back to the left slowly, but distance to these.
Sorry.
Sam,
Oh, I'm so sorry.
that's alright. What did you do with your steer?
Like move the two fast.
Yeah, that's right. Where do you want to point? You want to point up there?
No, because you said left.
I know, but I said start steering slowly back to the left. And you just did all of it.
Yeah.
That's okay. Press the clutch down. Good. I've got the control. Steer a little bit to the right for me now. Just try steer. Go on, steer a bit more, steer a bit more, steer a bit more, steer a bit more. Okay. Is your clutch down to the floor?
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. And that's fine. Good. Straight and slowly. Did you panic? Sound. Good. Keep lovely and straight and lift that clutch fully slowly up.